Welcome to Jigyasa, the Curiosity Podcast, the podcast where we journey through the realms of science, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Today, we have the privilege of speaking with Mr. Tejas Dave, a distinguished research scientist at ISRO and the visionary founder of Plankton Data Labs. Welcome, Mr. Tejas Dave. It's a truly honor to have you on the show.
Thank you, Madhva. It's really great to have an interaction with you. Really excited. Looking forward to interactions with you.
Let's start by delving into your remarkable career trajectory. As a senior research scientist at ISRO, you've been at the forefront of India's space exploration endeavors for many years. You Can you share with our listeners a bit about your journey in the field of space science and technology and perhaps highlight some of the pivotal moments or projects that have shaped your career?
Absolutely, Madhva. My journey in space science began over 15 years ago when I joined Indian Space Research Organization. Since then, I have had the privilege of contributing to several landmark missions, including Mars Orbiter Mission, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3, that have expanded our understanding of the universe and pushed the boundaries of technological innovations. Each project has been a unique learning experience filled with the challenges and breakthrough that have fulfilled my passion for exploration and discovery.
It's truly awe-inspiring to hear about your contributions to space explorations. Now let's shift to our focus to your entrepreneurial venture, Plankton Data Labs. What inspired you to transmission from the world of space science to the realm of business? And how did the idea of for Plankton Data Labs come out?
Well, Madhva, while working at ISRO, I became increasingly fascinated by the interactions of the science and business. I noticed that many of the analytical and problem solving techniques we used in space research could be applied to address the challenges in the corporate world and the real life scenarios. The idea for the Plankton Data Labs emerged from the desire to harness the power of data analytics and research and scientific methodologies to help business unlock their full potential. I really wanted to create a platform where data driven insights could drive strategic decision making and basically drive a sustainable growth.
That's a compelling vision indeed. Can you give us some examples of the types of challenges that Plankton Data Labs helps businesses tackle and perhaps share a few success stories or case studies that illustrate the impact of your solutions?
Certainly, Madhu, that's amazing question. Basically, at Plankton Data Labs, we specialize in providing customized solutions to the wide range of business challenges, whether it's optimizing supply chain operations, enhancing marketing strategies, or identifying new market opportunities. That's on a global scale. Our data driven approach enables us to deliver actionable insights that drive tangible results for our clients. Let's take an example. We worked with a uh, industry, and that industry was facing a logistical challenge. And by leveraging advanced analytic techniques, we were able to mitigate that logistical challenges by deriving certain kind of precision modeling that helped and result in the success of that industry's company, and that become a very interesting output for them, and they become a market leader in that particular industry. And that's how the transformative potential of data driven decision making is all about.
It's remarkable to see how data analytics can drive innovation and create value for businesses. I'm also intrigued by the name Plankton Data Labs. Can you share the story behind the name and how it reflects the ethos of your company?
Of course, Madhva, that's very relevant question, and that's very close to my heart as well. The name plankton is inspired by the microscopic organism found in the ocean, which plays a very vital role in sustaining the marine ecosystem. despite their small size. Similarly, we believe in the data, often viewed as a raw and unstructured, holds immense potential to drive a meaningful change when analyzed and interpreted effectively. Data Lab signifies our commitment to leverage scientific principle and cutting edge technologies to extract actionable insights from data. Together, the name encapsulates our mission to empower business with the tool and knowledge they need to thrive in a data driven world.
That's a fascinating analogy, and it's beautifully encapsulates the essence of your company. As we near the end of our conversation, what advice would you give to aspiring entrepreneurs who are looking to embark on their own journey of innovation and discovery, particularly those who are interested in bridging the gap between science and business?
Yeah, my 2 cents would be to cultivate a curious and interdisciplinary mindset. Embrace the spirit of exploration. Be open to new ideas and perspectives and never stop learning. That's the key. Seek out opportunities to collaborate with the experts from diverse fields and create an interdisciplinary approaches which often leads to breakthrough innovations. And most importantly, don't be afraid to take risks and pursue your passion, even if it means venturing into uncharted territory, coming out of the comfort zone. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable.
Wise words indeed. Thank you so much, Mr. Tejas Dave, for sharing your insights, experiences, and expertise with us today. It's been a truly enlightening conversation.
Thank you, Madhva. It was really a pleasure talking with you and giving me an opportunity to share my story. It's been a pleasure. And just always remember, जो नहीं हो सकता है वही तो करना है. Thank you, Madhva.
That concludes our episode of Jignasa, the Curiosity Podcast. Join us next time for more inspiring stories, thought provoking discussions, and journeys into unknown. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.